Bubala, never perform yoga for health. Whatsoever you do to gain, then you lose it when you stop doing it. I have seen people, for some reason, they stop doing pranayama or the Surya namaskaras for a couple of days. They have become restless, as if they have lost something. So I don't perform anything for anything. It's like, I play violin to enjoy the flexibility of my fingers. If you see M.S. Gopalakrishnan and look at the flexibility of his fingers, very mysterious. We all have fingers, but the Lalgudi Cheraman, M.S. Gopalakrishnan, L. Shankar, these people, their fingers are so beautiful. They are not just ordinary fingers. In the same way, when I perform, which I call it the art of enjoying the flexibility of the body, or rasa yogam, or swayam namaskaram, I just enjoy the flexibility of my body. Whatsoever comes, it comes. I don't follow any methods. I don't follow any rules. Many a times, I do it after having my lunch. I do it in the middle of the night. I don't postpone it because I have no motive behind it. I have performed this art even those times when my body was ill. So Bubala, try to understand the crux of the whole matter, what I'm trying to say. When you learn the bicycle for the first time, there are rules. Then the bicycle and you are two different entities. When you keep on trying to understand the bicycle, by and by, the bicycle becomes your limb. That becomes your member. Then all rules disappear. Initially there were rules like you have to look straight, you have to hold the handle firmly, you have to look into the mirror, and when you overtake, make sure that there is no vehicle here and there, and make sure that you are not talking to anybody. All rules there. Slowly mind becomes free from these rules. Any art or the essence of any sadhana lies in the principle, in this principle that you have to be from the sadhana itself. So now I have no rules. Now I am speaking to you. I am sitting in a posture. It is absolutely a beautiful posture. Which I call it a zero posture. Body always wants to experience the zero, the weightlessness state. It always wants to be feather-like. So by and by, when I started performing this without any motive, I have realized that in every posture it sits, in every gesture, it is absolutely relaxed. You have to be with me at least for a couple of days to understand what exactly I am saying. But the problem is, people, imitate Buddha, people imitate somebody, and they try to sit like him. The very at the very beginning of their path of understanding is folly. So I don't even call this Surya Namaskarams. I have given another name, that this is Swayam Namaskarams. I salute to myself. That such a beautiful entity I am. I am the universe. Raso Vaisa Risa.